Okay, so let's start with long division with some regrouping. Okay, so we are going to divide 36 divided by 2. Please write with me. 36 divided by 2. So the steps for long division are dead monkey smell bad and then do again. So we do all the steps again. Okay, so D stands for divide, M stands for multiply, S stands for subtract, and B stands for bring down. These numbers 3 and 6, 36 stands for 36 monkeys. Okay, so we take 3 divide by 2, and we have 3 divided by 2 is 1. Okay, where do we find 3 in the 2 times table? Between 2 and 4. So we only have one group of 2 that goes into 3. Okay, so next step is we times. 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, after multiplication, we do subtraction. So 3 minus 2 is 1. We still have 6 monkeys hanging in the tree. If they fall off the tree, they will also die. Okay, so they are called dead monkeys. Now there are 16 dead monkeys here. What must we do? We must do again. So let's do that. 16 divided by 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, after we divide, we times. So 8 times 2 is 16. Yes, the next step is to subtract. 16 minus 16, 6 minus 6 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. And we have the answer 0. And we don't have any more monkeys hanging in the tree. So we are done. We don't have to do again. The answer is 18. In this next example, please write down with me 94 divided by 2. Pause the video while you write. Okay, very good. Let's start. Okay, so we have 9 monkeys hanging in the tree first. Okay, so 9 divide by 2. They fall. Let's try. 9 divide by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. We stop here because 9, the next number here is 10, and 9 is smaller than 10. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so only 4 times 2 gives you 8. Okay, only 8 can go into 9. Okay, 10 cannot go into 9. Okay, so 9 minus 8 is 1. And our last step is to bring down. We have 14 monkeys. So now, because they fell down, we have to divide. Okay, 14 divided by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7. 7. After that, next step is to times. 7 times 2 is 14. And we subtract, we get 0. We have no more monkeys hanging in the tree. No more. So the answer now is 47. Alright, so now we're going to do long division. 42 divide by 3. Yes, first step is divide. So we take 4 divide by 3. And we have 1. Okay, we do not go to number 6. Because 4 is less than 6. It's here. So we only have 1. 1. Our next step is to multiply. 1 times 3 is 3. And what's our next step? Yes, very good. Subtract 4 minus 3 is 1. And then we bring down 2, the last 2 monkeys hanging in the air. So now we have 12 monkeys on the ground. And what must we do? We must do again. Dead monkeys smell bad. So 12 divided by 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after dividing, we times. 4 times 3 is 12. Then we subtract. 12 minus 12 is 0. And we have no more monkeys hanging in the tree. So we stop here. In this last example, we have 51 divided by 3. So we are going to do the steps for long division. Dead monkey smell bad. So 51 divided by 3. So we start with 5. 5 divided by 3 is, yes, 1. Again, 1. Okay, we stop here because 5 is in between 3 and 6. Okay, but we cannot put 6 into 5. So 1 times 3 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, next step is to bring down 1. And we have 21. So let's start again. Dead monkey smell bad. 21 divided by 3 is, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 7 times 3 is 21. And then we subtract and we get 0, and there's nothing left to bring down. So the answer is 17. Okay, let's go through 75 divided by 3. Okay, so we start with 7 divide by 3. Let's look at the 3 times table. 1, 2. Hey, no, 7 is here, so we stop. 1, 2. And we write 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Then we subtract and we have 1. Then we bring down and we have 15. 15 divide by 3. We start again, we do again, because now there are 15 monkeys lying on the ground. 15 divide by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we multiply. 5 times 3 is 15. And we subtract and we get 0. And we have no more monkeys to bring down. So we stop at the answer 25.